go. That motor used to run perfect. Now I come over here to run it, and I pump the bowl, I choke it, I start it. It runs for about 30 seconds and dies. I can't figure that out, why it won't stay running. I've had this trouble before. You know what? Let me pump that bulb again, see if the bulb is hard. Oh no, that bulb was soft. That means that the carburetor emptied and it's not refilling. Bad fuel pump. Let's try something. Sure enough, if I keep pumping the bulb, it stays running. The minute I quit pumping the bulb, it dies. This motor got a bad fuel pump. That's the sign of a bad fuel